You know, it sort of doesn't look like it, but they have done a lot of work to this trail.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, it needs to have a sign that says 7 miles, but rides like 15.
And that, sir, is Raven.
Oh,
Well done.
woo! That's some East Coast style single track right there. That's just all rocks and roots.
We sampled the Raven Trails in Woodruff, Wisconsin. This was my second time here and Scott's first. There's a very nice trailhead to park at with outhouses. There is a $5 daily use cost for the trails, or free if you already have a Wisconsin State Trail Pass. There are a variety of trails at the park, such as snowshoeing, cross-country skiing, biking, and hiking. The signage is well done and color-coded. The mountain bike trails are estimated at just under 7 miles, but they felt like a lot more. The trails themselves start with a rollout on a paved walking path. The trails have plenty of tech with roots, rocks, jumps, and drops. I would call the trails more XC type, as there is a ton of pedaling. There is some nice downhill flow sections, but they are short and they lead to more climbing. Trails wind around and along several small lakes that make the ride very scenic. In summary, I would not recommend these trails as a destination ride unless you add in some of the local activities like camping, fishing, water sports, four-wheel rental, zip lining, golfing, etc. I would add in time to hit up the nearby Zips trails or go a little farther north and add in the Windman trails. Raven trails can be a lot of work, but you get rewarded for some amazing scenery and some surprise trail candy in several spots. It is very obvious that the trail makers have taken a lot of time and effort to make these trails fun and worth the stop. There are a lot of cool places to eat in nearby Woodruff and Minocqua, along with many choices of lodging from hotels, motels, to outright camping. And I will be back to ride these trails again.
Oh yeah. That was awesome. No problem. Perfect timing. Uh-oh. Narrow. Woo. Yee. Narrow. Oh.
This deserves to have a sign that says more difficult.
Right. That's pretty cool. Big bench cut right along the side. So this has one little feature, it's a drop.
Yes.
This got to roll around to the right.
I'll watch out.
Go to the right.
Yes, this is much better than 10 degrees. Better than being at home where it's 10 degrees hotter.
Yeah, the temperature's really nice. You got a nice rock garden climb up ahead. You. Whoa. It's a little techy in some spots.
It's very rooty.
You can tell these trails have been here a while.
Yeah, this is definitely old school stuff.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
That is unforgiving.
No, this is neat.
I like the way somebody put rocks in between those roots.
Yeah. Phew. Nice. Looks like we got a little bit of flow. I'm liking all the techie stuff. Oh, and more tech, yes. Oh yeah. Narrow, windy, techie with rocks, roots, narrow tree gaps. This is most excellent. Whew. Some flow maybe? Whew. Oh. Whoa. Oh. A rock kicker on the trail kicked to my toe. Oh, what do we got here? Up and over. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo.
Oh my God, I feel bad for anybody that thinks they're going to run wide bars through here. Shit, fire.
Oh man, that was pretty fun. Oh, yes. Woo. They make you go through that tree. Oh, we got some flow. Ew. Oh, I hope this is the way. Looks like it. All the techiness and it's definitely worth the stop.
Yeah.